What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino with one of our first two jobs today. And we're out here in Heritage Ranch in Paso Robles, California, outskirts of Paso. Beautiful, beautiful area. Customers are getting their house ready to put on the market. And I'm mixing up some enzyme, because I actually mixed up some enzyme. And a little bit of rust eradicator, because there's some rust in one room. I'm a little low on this, so I hope I got enough. I thought I bought some local rust remover I was going to try out. But, where is it? Oh, okay, so I was in the janitorial the other day, local janitorial, and I seen this. I said, you know what? You can put this on the van to see how well this works. So yeah, this might come in handy. Being really low on this. And you know, 2 rooms need some enzyme. Came out here just for the cleaning. Luckily I brought the light, because that really reveals the problem. Especially, you know, if they're still in the house, they don't want to get their carpets cleaned and then all of a sudden have cat urine smell, you know. So that really saves them a big headache, and the buyers actually won't have to replace the carpet or do it themselves, you know. So Aaron's down there vacuuming right now. It's a 2-story, but there's a lower level, and got the seal door up because a cat wants to get in and out. So I don't use that thing a lot, but when I do, it's very necessary. It's a good thing to have, guys. So also makes you look really professional. All right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. like it already disappeared. All right, guys, all finished up. Customers are super happy. Everything came out good. Rust, stains, pet stains, odor, gone. And we'll see you in the next one.